Attention job seekers. Exciting career opportunities are waiting for you. The Oshitenda Business Group is now hiring for the following positions: 25 haul truck operators, safety manager, workshop manager, human resource manager. If you're looking for a challenging yet rewarding role, this is your chance to join a dynamic team and make an impact. But act fast. These opportunities won't last long. Apply now at jobopportunities.net. Find the link in the video description. Stay tuned. More exciting job opportunities coming soon. We're excited to unveil a brand new feature on our e-recruitment portal, an intelligent and user-friendly chatbot designed to make your job search easier than ever. What can it do for you? Application assistance, get instant help with the process. Site navigation, easily find what you need. Job search and career support, tips for CVs, cover letters, and more. How to access the chatbot? Visit jobopportunities.net. Look for the chatbot icon in the lower right corner. Click and start chatting. Use quick reply buttons or type your questions. Designed to provide fast, accurate, and seamless support, our chatbot is here to enhance your job search experience. Try it out today and see how it can help you land your next opportunity. Welcome to your Career Success Hub, powered by Nawa. At Nawa, we're committed to more than just job listings. We're here to empower your career journey. Whether you're looking for exciting job opportunities, expert CV tips, interview guidance, or motivational content, this is the place to fuel your path to success. Be part of our growing community. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest career insights. Every time you share, you're not just opening doors for yourself, but also helping others discover their dream job. From the sunny shores of Swakopmund, Nawa is here to support and inspire you. Keep pushing forward, stay motivated, and remember, each step you take brings you closer to where you want to be. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.